You've been thinking about starting a GLP-1, but you've heard all these things about negative side effects, particularly nausea. Here's what I've learned. Nausea is usually a sign that your body is giving you that you need fuel, but because of these medications, your mind doesn't actually feel hungry. It's almost like your brain and your stomach aren't connected, and nausea is just your hunger cue. So how do you prevent it? We need to be eating small meals throughout the day, even if we don't feel like it. And what happens if you're already feeling nauseous and nothing sounds good? I always recommend keeping it simple with toast or eggs, and as always, hydration. All in all, the side effects aren't that bad, and most of them are self-induced. So stop letting fear get in your way. If you have any questions, you feel free to